It is a well-known fact that in the Sea of Galilee, fishermen caught fish at night in the shallow water and not in full daylight in deep water. Forsaking his knowledge and experience as a skilled fisherman, Peter decided to follow Jesus Christ and obey his command to launch out into the deep and let down their nets for a draught. His bold choice in that moment and the resulting miracle that took place proved that an act of obedience can truly be life-changing. The Lighthouse Bible Baptist Church also experienced the same miraculous power of God when, in obedience to God's leading through Pastor Ruben Abante, its old temple was torn down to make way for the construction of a larger and improved building, which allowed us to do greater things for the Lord's work.
We experienced the greater level or higher level of victory and harvest when we saw the new building completed. Kung naalala ng marami sa atin, ang dating building ay maliit lang, 2-story at iilang facilities lang ang meron doon. But with the bigger facilities, we saw hand of the Lord work. Nag-expand ang ating mga ministries. Nakita natin dyan ang mga iba't ibang bagong facilities. The pastor's office was improved. Nagkaroon din ng office ang ating mga preacher. Great Lighthouse Foundation, ang LabNet. Even our school, the Lighthouse Academy, improved its facilities, the principal's office, teacher's lounge, magandang CR, lobby, and then this Lighthouse Cafe. Ang dami na mga naging improvements mula noon. All these amazing improvements and expansions will not be possible if we did not proceed with the tearing down and construction of the new building.
Undeniably, the Lighthouse Bible Baptist Church shone brighter as a work of God and reaped a greater harvest after taking that first step of faith 15 years ago. But the Lord wants us to reach farther and leap higher as He paved the way for us to acquire the adjacent property, a feat that we have been earnestly praying for since 2008.
It was really the hand of the Lord that moved. Napaka-imposible. Wala tayong kakayanan. And being a banker, I know how hard it will be for any church na mabigyan ng loan. But lo and behold, God used somebody, God used a bank that is may puso sa gawain. Mga kapatid, as the Lord made it possible for us, the bank financing with the best loan package, it is now our turn as one Lighthouse to take on the project. As you know, 9 million ang part na dapat nating bayaran due within the month. Doble mga kapatid na mga nakaraan nating sacrificial giving. But we should be praying and determining ourselves that our sacrificial giving this year will cover the needed amount. This is a long-term project. Proyekto natin ito na binigay sa atin ng Panginoon. Kaya mga kapatid, as the Lord has been pouring His blessings for many years, let's all then pray and commit to support the step of faith too for the next 9 years. Pumalawat na tayo sa mas malalim na bahagi ng dagat at ibinaba na natin ang ating mga lambat. Nakita na rin natin ang pagkilos ng Diyos na siyang naghanda ng daan upang ating makamit ang malaking huli ng mga isda. Ang kailangan na lang natin gawin ay magkaisa, magtulong-tulong sa paghango ng mga ito tungo sa mas mabungang paglilingkod sa ating Panginoon.